Scaramucci! So today, meron na naman kami panibagong road trip adventure. At syempre, kasama ko na naman ang aking labidab. So, papunta kami ngayon sa may Kabanggan, Zambales. So, currently papasok pa lang kami ng Subic Bay. So, meron kaming ibinok na resort which is called Sundance Blue Water Resort.
A few moments later.
Hi guys. Hello vlog.
So ayan, paakyat na kami doon sa room namin. Napakainit guys. Ang gulo ng buko. Hayaan nyo na. Saan yung room?
What?
Hello? Ay, dito na. Ito pala yung room namin guys.
Very good.
So, ang ganda. Welcome. Welcome. Ayan. Uy, pwedeng ganito lang oh. Pag morning. So, ayan. Oh. Hi! Ang ganda guys. Ang bango.
Ang linis.
Ang linis. As in.
Ikaw ang unang pumasok kanina.
Okay lang yan. Okay lang yan. So, bali 8 kami dito sa room. 2 bunk beds na siya.
Scaramucci TV.
So, ayan ah. TV, tissue, pang disinfectant, may internet. And then, ano pa ba? May rep. Ayan. May rep. Ito ang banyo. Banyo ba ito?
Oo.
Oo, ang bango guys. Ang bango pa sa amin. Shit. Ang linis oh. Ah, tchadan! Kulay blue pa. May pa-tissue. In fairness, ang ganda ng design. Gusto ko ng tiles. Towel. Nabangan ng lahat. Lagi. Bath soap, shampoo with conditioner na. Heater, shower. In fairness, ang ganda niya talaga. So, nakikita ko lang to sa sa Facebook. Pero meron pala dito sa accommodation namin. So, ayan. Kasi nga 2 bunk bed siya. Ayan. Bulaga! At may spotlight pa. Pag di kayo nagkakakitaan, madilim. Ganda! Sulit! 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 12K nga pala to. So, bali lumalabas na 3K each per couple kami. Oo.
Uy, makapag-araw nga dito mama nga.
Sabi ko sa'yo, bakit ba? Diba? Tangin mo yung short mo. Ganda diba? Oh guys, oh. So, although nasa harap, beachfront naman siya, tapos andyan na yung pool. Actually, yung table nandun oh. Tingnan nyo. Ayun, pinalipat namin dito sa tabi ng ihawan. Kasi para pag mamaya padilim na, 'di ba? Nandito ka mismo sa may dagat. Ang ganda ng buhangin, no? Ang linis. So, 'di ba?
Shout out sa Clicks Gaming ha. Oh.
Ha. Ano? Ano masasabi mo? Okay?
Kailan na to? Ay, talagang ako. Ay, Philip, tapos na.
I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement.
Everything I do so instinctive and so passionate. Every word I move so descriptive like an adjective. I got a vendetta against people who patented being negative when you should be getting after it. I got facts over tracks, this and that. Spitting slow, spitting fast. I could roast, I could gas. Think I'm okay at last, but I don't know if that can erase all the past. And the pettiness, a reflection of the emptiness. Hilarious, you think you're worth my time, you're delirious. Mysterious, because you hide behind a fake exterior. Inferior, you know I'll always be a bit superior. Get off of me, this ain't no humble brag. I want you to hear words, you can say them back. I want you to feel free from the chains at last, and to believe in what you got, it was built to last, yeah. Now that I've been put through hell, I never got anyone's help. I had to do it all myself.
I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement.
La, kita ka pa din, oh.
Oh, nagkaroon na antipara.
Isa pa.
May lumabas pa ang ulo? Meron, pwet. Pwet.
Isa pa.
Oo, yun nga pinano ko para gumanda yung ano, kasi alam mo yung pang ano ng hangin.
Breathe in, breathe out.
Wala gumamo sa akin.
Ba, dumami yan.
Wala gumamo sa akin.
No. Ganito dito.
Naka-record lahat.
Marieta.
Bukas mag-drone tayo, doon naman tayo. Oo, nakatayo tayo doon tapos yung galing sa ano, dagat.
2, 3.
Scaramucci TV! Bayad.
Taray. Ay, sumilakad mo.
Akin dalawa sa pool.
Pati lisen. Woo!
Yan!
Hindi ka na mamamatay dito.
Nakakabot pa. Ayan dito. 1, 2.
Putang ina mo, ginagawa mo.
Ano yan eh?
Shoutout nga pala sa Scaramucci TV. Woo! Baka naman. Woo! Binabati ko nga pala si Scaramucci. Woo! 1 minus subscriber.
What?
Minus 2 subscribers. Woo! Hello guys. Alam niyo ba itong si Scaramucci? Wala na itong matinong nagagawa sa sarili niya. Pati mga tao inaaway niya.
Emotional, damn it!
Everybody shake your baby. Everybody shake your baby. Everybody shake your baby.
Hi ma'am, good afternoon po. Before we leave the place, tanong lang po namin yung ibang mga bagay-bagay dito sa resort nyo. Ano pong name nyo ma'am?
Ako po si Hershey and Spinelli. Ako po yung nagmamanage ng resort.
Okay. So ano pong mga amenities meron dito sa resort?
Pag nag-check-in po kayo dito, sir, we have a lot of amenities. We have game table. Sa game table namin, meron kaming billiards, may air hockey, table tennis. We also have chess set.
Okay.
Tapos, if you wanted to grill, usually pag nag-beach, hindi pong mag-ihaw ang mga guests. Free naman po to use yung grill area namin. Tapos, of course, we have the infinity pool and the perfect view of the beach.
Okay.
Lahat po yan included when you check in dito sa... And then sa rooms naman po namin, all of our beds are queen-size beds na may foam mattresses siya. Para comfortable yung tulog niya and air condition with smart TV, tapos refrigerator and private bathroom.
Yes ma'am, how about the capacity of the rooms ma'am?
We only have 6 rooms in total dito po sa resort. 4 of the rooms are good for 8. So, yung good for 8 po namin is 12,000 siya per night. And then we have 2 rooms na good for 4 to 6. If 4 persons po, 6,500 siya. And then additional 1,000 per head po, up to 6 persons.
Okay.
So maximum capacity po ng buong resort is 44 adults. You can add free kids na 10, 6 years old below.
We just wanna know kung may website po ba kayo, FB page?
Yes po. As of now, we're working on our website, but we do have an Facebook page and an Instagram account. You can follow us on @SundanceBlueWater.
Okay. So ma'am, before we end, invite nyo po sila sa resort nyo.
Again, i-invite ko po kayo dito sa newly opened resort namin. We just opened last December. Summer ready na po kami. Good for 44 persons. And pwedeng-pwede po kayong magkaroon ng team building dito because we have the spacious grounds and the perfect and beautiful nice beach and infinity pool. So, spend your summer with us po and let's chase the sunset together. Thank you so much po.
Thank you.